What is water? Here at E-Rotek, it represents commitment. By choosing E-Rotek, we promise the best solutions to your problems. Unlike others, we believe in having complete control over every aspect of our product, from conception to delivery. In-house manufacturing ensures consistent quality standards from start to finish. Our revolutionary filtration system, powered by advanced nanotechnology, works tirelessly to capture even the tiniest impurities. Our E-Rotek series RO systems are easy to install, operate, and serve. Operation errors have been eliminated by E-Rotek Pulse Flush technology, which consistently produces clean water at your desired rate and quality with no operator adjustments. The E-Rotek series RO systems are designed with a fixed recovery rate of 60 to 65% using only one single extra-large flow RO membrane element that produces 4,000 GPD, 650 lph of permeate water flow. The Hero 6000 is a groundbreaking and patented light industrial RO system that revolutionizes the industry. With an impressive minimum 80% recovery rate, this system sets a new standard in efficiency and performance, all while minimizing its footprint. What's more, the Oasis Wi-Fi RO controller allows users to monitor RO system operations via smartphones or computers. RO system retailers would also benefit from system upgrades, which provides precautions and warnings ahead of system failure. Every component and delicate detail is crafted under our watchful eye. Your answer is just a plug away. But we don't stop here. Our in-house testing lab is equipped with the latest technology so that we can guarantee each E-Rotek product meets and exceeds the standards. Our solutions don't end with the sale. We believe in providing an unparalleled experience, ensuring your satisfaction long after your purchase. Global challenges regarding climate change and pollution are more urgent than ever. E-Rotek water purification systems help industries meet regulatory standards. Meanwhile, our systems for seawater desalination can serve as a climate-resilient solution, which can be particularly important in regions facing water scarcity or variability in freshwater supply. From design to manufacturing, every step happens under our roof. No outsourcing, no compromises, just a commitment. E-Rotek Purification for Life.